Okay, y'all, so I am starting off on freshly stretched hair. Okay. I'm going to take my Cream Brulee by Coco Kendall, and this is a daily moisturizer for hair and skin. And I'm just going to massage a little bit of this. Just massage it into my hair. This is gonna, and I really do it on my ends, because this is going to help with breakage while my hair is in the ponytail. So I want my hair to be as moisturized as possible, because as you guys can see, my hair is growing. I'm super excited. So I just kind of want to add it to the ends, and then I'm going to take my little brush and just brush it through. I want to make sure my hair and my ends are as moisturized as possible. Ooh, excuse my little dance. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to kind of brush everything up. And I want to smooth everything out, especially the back of my hair, because I want my ponytail to be as flat as possible. So, after I smooth everything out, I'm going to take my Extreme Line Wet Gel. This is going to be the gel that I use today. Take this amount. And just kind of lay it all over the back. I'm not putting a lot of product at all because I don't want my hair to wave up. But I am going to put enough just to lay it down. Okay. And I'm going to take the same brush and just kind of rake it through. And I'm going to take my regular hard brush and just brush it up. But literally, y'all, because I'll be right back under my wig in a couple of days, I'm not adding no products because I want to braid my hair. Okay. So once it is at the placement, I go back in with this brush because I want to make sure it's as flat as possible. And once I feel like it's where I want it to be, take a ponytail holder and now secure the ponytail. Okay, so it looked like it's where I want it to be. I'm gonna add a little more gel just to the nape area so I can smooth it down. Then I'm going to take a little more of the cream brulee and just kind of massage this through. And then I'm just going to twist it. And I'll secure that with the ponytail holder. Okay, next I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue hairspray. And this is just going to lay down any flyaways. Take my scarf and just tie it down for about 30 minutes. Now while this is tying down, I am going to go ahead and add the Instant Pony in. This is, I believe, a 30-inch ponytail. Instant Pony. This is what the hair looks like outside of the net. Okay, so you want to take the comb, push the comb in. You want to take the other comb, push the comb in, and then take your string and pull. You want to make sure it's not pulling too tight where it's pulling your hair. That's one thing I've learned. I don't want no sores in my head. And if I feel like it's too tight, I will take it out and redo it. And just wrap the string around. After you wrap your piece around, you could tuck it or add a hairpin. I don't have a hairpin, so I'll tuck it. And you guys, this is literally the finished product. Okay, so I'll tie my hair down for about 30 minutes just because I gotta get dressed, and then I'll come right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. It took all of maybe what, 10-15 minutes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Don't forget, again, if you are not a part of the family, make sure you hit the subscription button. After you hit the subscription button, just hit the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications every time I upload. I love you guys. If God's willing, I will see you in my next video.